Video Editing Crash Course, Color Correction and Grading. Introduction. Color correction and grading are essential processes in video editing that involve manipulating and enhancing the colors and tones of a video to achieve a desired visual aesthetic. These techniques play a significant role in setting the mood, enhancing the storytelling, and creating a cohesive look throughout the video. In this crash course, we will explore the fascinating world of color correction and grading, discussing various techniques and methods to elevate the visual impact of your videos. Stories and examples. To excite our readers, let's dive into a couple of interesting stories that demonstrate the power of color correction and grading in creating compelling visual narratives. Story 1. The Magical Transformation. Once upon a time, there was a filmmaker named Sarah who had shot a scene in a dense forest during golden hour. Although the lighting conditions were captivating, the colors didn't quite convey the enchantment Sarah envisioned. Through the magic of color correction and grading, Sarah transformed the scene into a mystical wonderland. She adjusted the hues to intensify the greens of the foliage, enhanced the warmth of the sunlight, and added a subtle touch of haze to create an ethereal atmosphere. The final result left the audience spellbound, immersing them in a world where magic was palpable. Story 2. From Day to Night. In a suspenseful thriller, a critical scene required the illusion of a nighttime setting, even though it was shot during broad daylight. The colorist, Alex, employed color grading techniques to darken the sky, desaturate the colors, and enhance the contrast. By adding a blue tint and adjusting the highlights and shadows, Alex successfully transformed the scene into a dark and mysterious night setting. The shift in colors and tones intensified the tension and suspense, captivating the viewers and immersing them in the gripping storyline. These stories highlight the transformative power of color correction and grading, showcasing how these techniques can elevate the visual storytelling and create captivating cinematic experiences. Top 12 Color Correction and Grading Techniques, Methods. 1. Color balance. Adjusting the color balance to achieve accurate and pleasing colors by manipulating the red, green, and blue channels. 2. Exposure correction. Correcting overexposed or underexposed footage to ensure proper brightness and tonal range. 3. Contrast adjustment. Enhancing the difference between dark and light areas to add depth and visual interest. 4. Color matching. Matching the colors of different shots to create visual consistency across a sequence or scene. 5. Saturation control. Adjusting the level of saturation to make colors more vibrant or desaturated for a specific mood. 6. Selective color correction. Isolating and adjusting specific colors to enhance or change their appearance while maintaining overall color balance. 7. Curve adjustments. Using curves to fine-tune the tonal range and contrast of an image, allowing for precise control over highlights, midtones, and shadows. 8. LUTs, lookup tables. Applying pre-designed color presets or creating custom LUTs to achieve specific looks or emulate different film stocks. 9. Color grading tools. Utilizing advanced color grading tools and panels to streamline the color correction process and provide more precise control. 10. Skin tone correction. Ensuring natural and pleasing skin tones by adjusting the hue, saturation, and luminance of the skin tones separately. 11. Film grain and texture. Adding film grain or texture overlays to evoke a specific era or add visual interest to the footage. 12. Secondary color correction. Isolating specific areas within the frame and applying color adjustments separately, allowing for targeted enhancements or corrections. Summarize. Color correction and grading are vital aspects of video editing that enable filmmakers to enhance the visual impact of their videos, evoke specific emotions, and maintain visual consistency. By employing various techniques such as color balancing, exposure correction, contrast adjustment, and selective color correction, editors can transform ordinary footage into visually stunning masterpieces. The ability to manipulate colors and tones empowers filmmakers to create unique visual styles, evoke moods, and tell compelling stories. In this crash course, we explored the importance of color correction and grading in video editing and discussed 12 key techniques and methods. From adjusting color balance to applying film grain and texture, each technique offers a distinct way to enhance the visual aesthetics of your videos and bring your creative vision to life. Now, let's conclude this crash course with a poem and a song dedicated to the art of color correction and grading. Poem. In the realm of video editing's embrace, colors come alive, a captivating chase. Through the lens of artistry, we tread color correction and grading, where stories are fed. From the forest's enchantment to the dark of the night, manipulating hues, imbuing scenes with light. With balance and precision, the colors dance, elevating narratives, leaving viewers in a trance. Exposure corrected, contrast refined, tones of emotion, a visual mind. Matching colors, a seamless flow. In harmony they blend, as the story grows. Saturation controlled, emotions to ignite. Selective corrections, a palette shining bright. Curves reveal secrets, shadows and highlights unfold. In the canvas of frames, stories are told. LUTs and tools, a painter's delight. Creating looks, guiding emotions with might. Skin tones perfected, with a gentle touch. A natural glow, radiating so much. Film grain and texture, nostalgia's embrace. Whispering tales of a bygone era's grace. Secondary corrections, details brought to the fore. A world transformed, where imagination soars. Color correction and grading, an artist's domain. Where stories find life, where passions remain. Through the power of colors, emotions unfurled. A symphony of visuals, painting a vivid world. Song. Verse 1. In the realm of pixels and light, where footage comes alive, so bright. Color correction's gentle sway, guiding emotions, lighting the way. Chorus. Colors dance, on the screen they flow, enhancing the story, making it glow. With each adjustment, a new tale is spun. Color correction, where art is begun. Verse 2. From the depths of shadows to skies above, tweaking the contrast, adding a touch of love. Matching colors, weaving a thread. Creating a visual symphony, in hues we're led. Chorus. Colors dance, on the screen they flow, enhancing the story, making it glow. With each adjustment, a new tale is spun. Color correction, where art is begun. Bridge. Saturation, curves, and LUTs in hand. Crafting a look, a masterpiece so grand. Skin tones perfected, radiating grace. In this world of colors, emotions embrace. Chorus. Colors dance, on the screen they flow, enhancing the story, making it glow. With each adjustment, a new tale is spun. Color correction, where art is begun. Outro. In the realm of video editing's embrace, colors come alive, a captivating chase. Through the lens of artistry, we tread color correction and grading, where stories are fed. Ending note. Asterisk 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 Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee to ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.